Hello and welcome back to another episode of Websies. And the last one, I think it took quite a long time because there were some issues with Atom actually crashing, but a short time in, I was able to figure it out by finding the plugin that would cause that trouble for some reason. It's good to know that Atom can in fact crash, even though it should all just be JavaScript, right? So maybe one time it will be fixed. Until then, I shall be fine. Actually, I didn't mean to go there. In the meanwhile, I've created this ticket here because ImageMin was unable to process Yeoman PNG, but it took them just literally minutes to make the fix and probably an hour to get a new cut published here. And this is what I want to put in now. Just to recap, right now if you try to grunt build or grunt ImageMin, see, it doesn't work. But in theory, an npm update should pull the latest version of ImageMin, which makes it work. Well, that was not the case. Oh, yeah, probably because I use grunt ImageMin, and this one probably refers to a different version. Let's see, package.json. Yeah. So this one didn't update. I don't know. I can trigger an update or an upgrade. npm upgrade ImageMin. Does it make sense? Does it work? Is update the same as upgrade? Because I think I still have an older version of it, right? Which one is it? ImageMin. And how can I trigger an upgrade of that one? And why is everything so slow here with npm? So ImageMin 032. How can I make it get the latest one? Grunt ImageMin. Let's see what package.js they have. Do they fix it to something? No, I think that means, what does it mean, by the way? Does it mean exactly that version or at least that version? npm package.json version. How do you specify that? The tilde matches the most recent minor version, the middle number. Okay, the caret is more relaxed. So it will only take the major number here. But will not, but keep the major number, but give you the minor upgrades as well. Okay, so in theory, if we could make it update, this would work. So let's see if ImageMin actually has an update already. Latest version is, look at this, 320. Okay, how does it work? Why can't I get the latest version? So the good thing is, there's one way to do it, npm install. I wonder if I can force an override or something, which also changes the versions used by another package. Does that work? Yeah, let's see. What happens if I just put this thing in like that? ImageMin should be that one. What do you say? Does it pull anything? And most importantly, if it does it also affect the grunt? Plug in then. Oh, come on, you can do it. Please. Maybe it takes longer than usual now because it actually does something. Maybe. It's also quite busy. npm, I don't know how it does it. I don't know how a program that installs stuff can use that much CPU. But here we go. Huh. Things happen. But, oh, there actually it is, ImageMin. Okay. Which version do I have now? Yeah, I'm quite confident that this actually didn't help. It's still 0320, but it should be a very specific version now. But yeah, I would be very surprised if that affects the grunt plugin. See, it doesn't. Awesome. Huh. So can I override this like with cargo? npm override dependency, but the kind of dependency of a dependency. Nested versions, yeah, that's pretty much what I want. Can use npm shrink wrap functionality in order to override any dependency. Okay. Just done this in a grand project of ours. We need a new version of Connect. So I created a file named shrinkwrap.json. Okay. Okay. Interesting. I find the way cargo does it much easier. Okay. Shrink wrap. Dev dependencies. Yeah, so apparently I can kind of go in there and say, okay, I want this. Okay, I guess that's how it works. Let's try that. So npm shrink wrap. Okay. Here we go. So that's for Qatars. I don't know if the version is actually needed. I hope not. So then we have grunt ImageMin. This one. At a particular version. This one. From, yeah, I'm not sure if I need that. Let's kick it. So that should be ImageMin. And, well, the version specified here. Like that. From, yeah, let's try without the from, because I don't really understand what it should do for me. Okay, so it should automatically be picked up and great things happen. And maybe in the meanwhile I should also look up the shrink wrap documentation. Yeah, so I guess generally it's a very it's a decent way of specifying versions of your dependency. Oh, in this case, the author can use npm shrink wrap. This it generates it. Oh man. npm install, run npm shrink wrap. Maybe npm shrink wrap is auto-generated in the moment I overwrite a local version myself somehow. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. npm shrink wrap. Let's see what it does. Does it overwrite my file without doing anything? Problems were encountered. Extraneous image min. Okay. Please correct and try again. So probably I have to delete it myself now. Well, fine. Maybe I should read that too, because this shrink wrap thing can actually do things for you. Locks down dependency versions. Locks down the version of a package's dependency so that you can control exactly which version of each dependency will be used when your package is installed. So A, B uses C. Then if B at 0.2 is published, then fresh npm install will install A will install this like that. Huh. So let's see how that file looks like now. npm shrink wrap. Whoa. At least it's complete. Okay, so it's putting down all the numbers. Image min. No, there's no image min here. Or is the help magically totally not working anymore? Comma, lots of comma stuff. Copy undefined. Undefined, why does it exclude them? Jesus, I don't get it. Well, it's not as easy as I thought. Enough time spent on this. Yeah, maybe I can just locally fix it for now. Node modules. Let's see how this is organized. Is there an image min here? And then there's a submodules, then there's image min again. Okay. And that's how that goes. But no git, I guess. It just puts it down. Oh, yeah. Huh. That doesn't really work for me. Did anything change here? Fix anchors in README. That didn't. They actually didn't change anything. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I can publish a newer version of ImageMan, even though the package JSON didn't even change. Makes no sense to me. See a new version on npm. Also the package JSON in this project didn't change and still claims to be v3.2.0. Am I missing something? Probably. So that is that. I have no clue. But it's also not so important. Is there an easy way for me to update this? I don't even know what the fix does really, except for using a later version of decompress. Maybe this is what I should look out for. Yeah, well, where is it? Find type D, name decompress. There it is. So that thing changed. Dependency hell in a way, huh? So here it uses a different version of decompress. So where can I find it? Probably here, huh? Decompress. And is this, which version are we talking about? Oh, it's actually this one. So it uses a different version of vinylfs. Awesome. Awesome. And that fixes it. So I have seen vinylfs somewhere here. Probably. Huh. vinylfs. I would be thinking. Yeah, let's go up and search it. vinylfs. Here it is. Is it used multiple times by different things? Oh yeah, it is used by multiple guys. So which one do I use? You know, I've got enough. I think I can't do this. No, don't wanna. There should be an easy way to do this, and if it means waiting for the npm version, then I shall do this. All right. That's already like 20 minutes in, and I didn't achieve anything. How come? It's terrible. Totally terrible. Okay, let's forget about that. Let's do something. Let's try to do some additional testing here. First of all, let's run serve to get the test server, the watch server up to date here. There we go. And yeah, I don't need that multiple times. So what kind of information do I want to provide? I think a name is in order. Then a difficulty level. Probably it should be some sort of enumeration at some point. For now, I would be fine with that. Maybe I can even put difficulties here. Why not? I can do it right away. Here. More difficulties. What do you think? There's easy. Let's assign it a value as well. Medium, hard. Huh. I would need some sort of reverse mapping to make that happen. And I don't want that. So I can probably just go with that. And if it's that, then I think all I have to do in order to keep this ordering and that's the possible difficulties. Some sort of mapping maybe. Yeah. Probably not. Probably I will just go with difficulty 0. Like that. So there we have a difficulty. Then I'd probably want some information about the files involved and a description. Short description and a long one. This one is easy. And a multi-line description. Maybe even put it into a separate file. I don't know yet how this will be done. So once we have that information, we can probably put it somewhere or verify it. This test should still be running just fine. So I guess it really is about having a look here in main. HTML. Oh yeah. And now that I'm at it, I might as well remove a few things. That's the footer. Glyph icon hard. Interesting. Yeah, where's this coming from, by the way? Oh, I've got a text file. Oh, yeah, I think now that I removed the ctext plugin because it crashed. I might as well re-enable my standard plugin. It's a symbol view, I think. That is disabled by default. Let's see if it comes back right away. Yes, it does. Phew. All right. Yeah, I guess I have to restart Atom for this to work. Did I change anything? Yeah, I did. Yeah, let's restart Atom then. Actually, there's also a simpler way to do this. you can just reload the window. I will try to get into the habit, I guess. For now, that should be fine. It does not remember open files. That's interesting. I thought the project manager plugin would do that, but it doesn't. Oh, there's a reply. Yeah, I'm curious to see how I can make this work. ImageMin. I think it's, yeah, which issue is it? 129, yeah. npm is ImageMin. That's interesting. Do they not update their website or something? -s, I didn't do that. Okay. Yeah, that it is there, obviously. Okay. I searched for this one. Okay. That's how it's done. I have been searching for, or I've been looking at this site, which is still showing the previous version, it seems. Also, I am having trouble. Maybe I can just remove all the node modules to trigger an update or something. Maybe npm update has additional options here. No, not really. Yeah, let's do this just one time. npm update. Let's see how that works then. Probably, yeah, that shouldn't be necessary. Oh, by the way, the shrink wrap I should probably kill if I still have it. Oh, I'm also in the wrong version. In the wrong directory. This explains a few things. Here I can remove the shrink wrap file, kill the node modules, and try again. Yeah. Thanks for all the support. It works for me now. So that's obviously me looking in the future, because I seriously hope that this will work for me, because now it would have to pull all the latest greatest, right? Naturally. After a while, at least. Okay, in the meanwhile, this server should still be running. It is. What else? Oh no. So let's put in some additional information. Main HTML. So we have the name. Then you might have a paragraph with the description. cut a short description. And then we could use some sort of image or icon. That indicates that it is easy or hard or anything. Maybe that can be put here. Image energy source. Should be. Oh no, wait, it just gets a class, right? Ng class is cutter difficulty, and difficulty easy, hard, something like that will be the class then. For now it's nothing. Yeah, I'm not even sure if I need an image then. I could also use a div for that, or a span, I guess, but I don't know for sure. We could also link a file there, an icon. Yeah, actually I could use a div with colors for now, or span. Yeah, let's try span. No idea. Span could be doing it already. Let's see if it responds to styling accordingly. This one is easy. Ah, there it is already. And now there is a span with the class in front of that. In theory. Where is the span? Did something go wrong? Oops. Apparently not. I can... Oh, there's the span. So the span is a child here. 0 pixels. So can I give it a width? 20 pixels or something. So does it now have a size? No. Okay, interesting. No size for this one. Yeah, maybe it wants to be a div. But I'd wonder if this would change anything for it. But maybe it responds better to certain things. So now, background, color, background color shall be green. Okay, I don't see anything. Maybe it wants a height as well. Ah yeah, there we go. That's how that goes. Something with a 0 height will not render, obviously. Kind of makes sense. So is this the same as dimensions? Ah yeah. Cool. Maybe I could even color the letters, huh? That would be something. Huh. Yeah, I could do that. Or color the first letter or something. Huh. So how do I get this block in line? It's pretty huge. But how do I make it so that... Yeah, probably this one will then have to be part of the div, huh? Kata name. Okay. Difficulty easy. So now okay, that's how it looks then. Fine. Ugly, but also not too terrible. Yeah. I probably want to have this div inline instead. Position inline. Okay, so first let's have a class here. That is called, how is it called? Difficulty easy. Easy. And in a way, it would make sense to have two things there. Difficulty and then easy. So that I can say all the difficulty stuff goes here. And then if it's easy, we have background color blue. Oh, interesting. I don't want to do this. I don't want to place a color here. I don't know what that will mean. Does it even work? Does it compile? It kind of does. Oh no, it doesn't. Undefined variable, color. Can I just put blue in there, like as a tag? I can. All right, difficulty easy. The style didn't really apply just yet. No. Why is that? Difficulty easy, right? And that means if the item has difficulty and easy there, then set a background color to blue. That's what I would expect. But it's not there. Unexpected. Where's my source? Oh. It serves the SCSS? That shouldn't be, huh? That's a bit odd. Since when can the browser do SCSS? Huh. Really? Sass parser in JavaScript. Huh. Ah, here's app style. Here's the converted styles. All right. Difficulty.easy. That should be it. Okay, so it comes in there and I would expect it to work. Oh. But for some reason it doesn't assign it to the actual class attribute, huh? Oops. So now this works. All right, that's interesting too. I thought ng class would do that for me. Oh yeah, by the way, let's retry the other one. Apparently it finished. Grunt build. No. Grunt contrib image min make. I can't make this one pick up the latest version. Just deleted my node modules and node modules folder and retried with no avail. Nowhere. Yeah. That's how it's done. Maybe I learned something today, how to control my overrides correctly using npm. And cargo. So much easier to have local overrides. All right. So now I have that, even though it kind of doesn't work yet. Maybe if I do it like this, will work out of the box. No. Oh. Huh. So main CSS is now totally broken. Token easy is an unexpected token at column 12 in the session difficulty easy. Ah, so ng class can't handle that. True. And now it can't get the style sheet anymore. Where's my style sheet? Funny. Maybe I serve again. Grunt serve. And it will fix itself. It did fix itself. For now. Okay. One more time, I have my div. It's easy. It should be in line, but first of all, oh, now it's actually set up. Cool. So the difficulty things, yeah, they should have a certain dimensionality. Padding left. I think height 20 pixels, fine. So now inline, right? It should be inline somehow. Display inline. What do I have here? Maybe I have to assign a width explicitly. Oh, and that's how that works. Huh. Yeah, why not? Why not do it like that? And of course, it would be totally awesome if that would be a line height or something. I don't know why I can't change it right now. 1 EM. Oh, that's the width. Like so. And that should be one line. Ah, well, fine. And margin. There should be a margin to that. Margin right is there letter size as well? 1C? No. 5 pixels or something. Cool. So that looks good. Let's put it in. Width is 10 pixels. Height is 1 EM. And margin right. Oh, how do I write it then? Do I have to do it like this? I don't know. Margin right is... Oh, I forgot these guys. 10 pixels, no, 5 pixels. And we're done. Cool, so now it should look like that naturally. Oh yeah, of course the inlining should also be done. Display inline block. And does it take so long to reload? Oh, it does take so long. Yeah, SCSS, huh? It's as slow as it gets. I mean, 5 seconds for one file. Oh no, it does 2 files, right? It does the bootstrap file as well, which we include here, import here. Interesting. And we even have icons. Icon font path. So here... they're supposed to be icon fonts. The halflings. Yeah, I know these guys. Cool. So I think in order to get anything out of the halfling, I have to set a certain letter code, and I probably get all the information I need here from the bootstrap SCSS. Where is it? Lots of mixins. Where's the original one? Here. Cool. And here it imports all these things. This is just like a central hub for these things. And I guess I could grab this folder for glyph and find a lot. Content. Before content. I don't even know what the before tag or class or state means. That's a state, right? Glyph icon compressed, glyph icon this, glyph icon that. So I guess I can put these classes there and I shall see a glyph icon. Maybe here. Or maybe, yeah, maybe it wants to be, I mean, if you look at this, maybe I should use this. Maybe it wants to be on a span. So glyph icon heart, what do we have? Glyph icon CD. And there we have a CD. Nice. I certainly like that. Cool. So anyway, let's call this green. And I'm already starting styling, even though that should be the least of my concerns. But on the other hand, you know, bike shedding is always fun. So let's call it complex. No, we have to call it hard. Kata JS, medium. So that's green, that's orange, and that's red. Cool. And maybe I want to have one of each kind here, just for the show. Like this. Kata 3, Kata 2. So that's a medium one, that's a hard one. This one is not so easy. This one is quite hard. Voila. And that's what I want. How much time? 50 minutes in. And we show a list of katas. So let's see if it is really easy to implement filtering, because it should be easy. So here we can implement a filter. It's just a question where we get the data from. So there's this input, and from that input we should somehow put it onto the scope. ng model is, well, is the filter text. And then we can do something like filter text, huh? In theory. Wow, that actually works. So easy, hard, cool. Yeah, like that. And maybe I can even have some sort of buttons that allow you to filter by difficulty. That's more like what most people want, I guess. And yeah, it could be a drop down, or could just be using the same classes that we have here. Something like that. Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Let's do a checkbox, but let's do this in the next session because that one is long enough. Thanks for watching and have a great day.